Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I am back with another video, and today I'm here to share a project that I worked on for Judy Evans Parker's Memory Decks. Well, it's her birthday Memory Decks challenge. Did I get that right? That's just crazy. Anyway, so here is my Memory Decks card for Judy. I'm probably not going to post this until she gets it. So it may be a little bit. So I haven't mailed it out, obviously, but I will. I may have it scheduled sometime next week or so. Okay, so let's get through this. So this is a Memory Decks card from Heidi Swap. I used some recycled, I think it's packaging from, I can't remember where. Anyway, and I covered it with paper, and I used the Graphic 45 steampunk paper, if you can see here. I inked the edges, I Mod Podged the paper down. Let's see, this is a Tim Holtz plain card or a flash card. Here is some ephemera piece from my stash. I made a bow. I love putting bows on my projects. I love bows. I mean, who doesn't? I added some of those pearls from my stash. I added some gears. So I chose J for Judy. This is an ephemera piece from my collection, and I used a book plate to frame it. It says "Unbelievable," and you know, Judy is. She is just a wonderful person. I think she's unbelievable. Her channel is unbelievable. So I wanted to add that there. She gives everybody hope on her channel, and she does these prayer days. I think it's Wednesdays and Sundays. If you have any prayers that you want her to pray for, she is there. She's helped me through a lot of grief, so yeah, I wanted to make this for her. I added a key here because I love mixing different, metal and paper and, ribbon. I put my name at the top here. Well, my name? Oh God, my YouTube name, that's it. And I poked a hole and added a eyelet, and then these are those, I think they're stitch markers that you can get at Walmart. I bought a whole container of it. I think I got 100 of them. And it reminds me of the Tim Holtz ones. And I think I have some still. I just wanted to use these because I just bought them. I made an angel charm for Judy. She is definitely an angel in disguise. And I just added some, like a little snippet of lace from my stash. And I added some flat back pearls. This is just a ticket in the background that says special event. And her channel, every Wednesdays and Sundays is a special event, in my personal opinion. She prays for so many women here on YouTube, children, husbands, fathers, nieces, and she's she's an angel in disguise, guys. I seriously believe that. So this is my entry to her challenge. Now I'm not sure what else I'm making her. Probably something to go with this icy somehow. I'm not sure yet. But so Judy, this is for you, my dear, and I hope you like it. It's not shabby. I know you love shabby, but this is kind of my style. It's like all over the place. So thanks everybody for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.